I am Coach Corey. Welcome to Absolute English. And today I thought it would be fun to talk about 3 ways to reduce stress. Now, these are 3 things that I do to reduce stress. There are some other things, but I picked 3 things that I like to do. And they happen to be 3 things that I enjoy doing when the weather is kind of nice outside. So it's not too hot, it's not too cold, just 3 things that I can get outside and enjoy the day doing and then reduce my stress, right? So the first thing I like to do to reduce my stress is to go for a walk. So I go for a walk and I live out in the countryside. I don't live in a town and I don't live in a big city. I live out in the countryside. So there's hills where I live and I can go walking and it's actually quite peaceful and relaxing. The second thing that I like to do, and I don't do very often, but I do enjoy, is riding a bike. I actually really like that. And I used to ride my bike all the time. Not so much now, but I do enjoy it. So if we have an opportunity, my family and I, when we're traveling, to ride a bike, that's what we will do. The third thing that I like to do outside to reduce my stress is to garden. I like to garden. And I have a small garden right now. I used to have a big garden. Now I have a small garden and I plant things into pots because it's easier to take care of. So I put things in pots. I do have one raised bed out in my garden area and I use that, but I only use that every other year, kind of. Well, that's been my pattern anyway. So those are 3 things that I do to reduce stress when the weather is nice. What are things that you do to reduce stress? Feel free to leave it in the comment section and let me know and we can have a dialogue. And if you have any questions, of course, you can leave that too in the comment section. Until next time, see you later.